I thought you were much stronger than this. Yeah, it's on now.
Hi guys, this is the better part of the team, the one who owns it, Harsha. Can you like fan it to your face?
It's just not better, any better. The worst.
So guys, today, you know I'm a professional YouTuber. So guys, today we are going on a kayaking trip. Don't zoom in.
You don't have to speak up louder than that. That thing does not capture volume that well.
We're going on a kayaking trip today, guys. And this
No,
is
consistently your voice has to stay out.
This is my friends, guys. All of them are all just friends. Especially this one.
Yeah.
The Konde. His name is Konde.
So today's June 12th at 11:49. Good day. We'll keep you updated. We're just waiting right now. That's my
Because
lover.
half your family
Happy Pride.
half your family is late. That's why we are
Yeah,
waiting.
Harsha was really late. He likes to
I'm not late.
He's early, but he was really late. But yeah, thank you. This is Sanara signing off.
Okay.
You have to tell me.
Forever. Obviously, that's what I gave him. There you go.
Have you all ever done this trip before?
Not on this one.
Not on this one. Have you kayaked before? Yeah, I have, I don't know. A long time ago. Long time ago? Alright. So, whenever you're ready and grab your...
This is even longer than me.
That's
Anything is long.
That's why I wanted to dream. I was like, that will fit through that.
Actually, it should be anything is longer than Sanara. She's the shortest, right?
I'm taller than her.
No, you're not. Yes, sir. I'm not. Your feet are longer than mine, but I'm taller than you.
Oh, when we went to Ocean City, we had a conversation. He thinks your dad might not be the dad for him because he's tall.
Ready for a push here? Alright, you ready here? Yeah.
Already.
Ready?
Alright, you ready?
Yes. Thank you.
Yep. Thanks, man.
Have a good one.
You too, thanks. Yeah. Didn't you listen to the instructions? Go. Oh shit. Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, let me go back.
A storage.
For real?
Let me open it up and see.
France? This is from
Yeah.
France? Really?
It is the storage. You can put whatever.
I should have brought my phone.
Yeah. But I might forget that. Oh, maybe I should put it. No, it has water in it.
France.
What?
France by Rotomod. These kayaks.
Oh,
On the
wow.
back there's a sticker. I'd be mad if you died with a vest on.
Amor, it's kind no signal and it's kind of hard to. Oh, it. Right now we are kayaking in Harper's Ferry. Harper's Ferry is like right at the intersection of the state of Virginia, West Virginia, and Maryland. A bunch of friends, my brother, we came here to enjoy this. I got her so good. Oh, crash.
Yeah, they have a partnership
Coming through.
with- have you heard of the
Coming
company
through, coming through.
You Break iFix?
Yeah. Sorry, sorry. You missed! You missed! They can't get me. Hey, I'm gonna go that way.
Why?
We are going too fast. Down. I don't want to end it. They can catch. Get him. You got me this time. This is the only place in East Coast have crocodiles.
No, and these are like dangerous crocodiles, not like the ones in Florida.
Bye bye. Bye bye. It's not that deep.
So now, hold on one.
Hey, once you get off, you can't get back in. It's really hard to get back in. Why are you removing you? I thought you were much stronger than this. I thought you were stronger. What the heck? He can't keep up. You need to hit the gym. You need to hit the gym. You know, size of his brain is like this size. Now he's gonna walk up to me.
I'm gonna eventually get you.
Yeah, eventually. Not now. Not by walking. Yeah. Now he can't get back into the kayak.
Try to float on your back and then put your legs.
So this is the perfect example of being so dumb with someone with a small brain. He's trying to get to me and thought He can swim faster. Dude, don't. My phone is here. Fucking hell. My phone, I don't know, it went down straight. Yeah. No, look at it, when it's inside.
Let me see your pocket.
I don't know. Check at it. Dude, don't.
That's my boat.
My brother. I need to get my boat. Get in. Hold on. My phone. It's a Samsung, yeah. Motherfucker.
Benji is sweet. So, now we can get back to our normal business.
You motherfucker! Oh shit! Oh my god! My GoPro, I thought I lost it. Look at this idiot trying to prove that he can put me down.
I put you down.
Yeah, but what? Who's walking? Who's walking? Who's walking the river? Yeah, right? Who's walking the river? First.
Literally about a mile I walked. Out of the 4 miles I walked like 1 mile. Get the fuck up. Get the bug.
This is the funniest shit I have ever seen. He's so weak. He's struggled. He couldn't get back up.
Did he get you back?
Huh?
Did he get you back?
What do you mean? He put me down,
Oh really? You went back in
but
the
it was like a revenge on himself because he couldn't get back.
Did he also go in the water?
Huh? Yeah. How dumb is
Did he get on the boat that quick?
that? Because he went to the rock. He walked to the rock. That rock. That one.
And he was like, oh, where's my GoPro? Where's my phone? You idiot, where's my phone?
Dude, my GoPro came off and it was here.
Oh man, imagine if it fell, dude.
Yeah.
That would have been the best revenge. That would suck.
I would have fucking killed you.
What am I to do? He threw water at me and I told him not to. So he's gonna lose your GoPro. I was literally low-key happy when he lost his phone. I was like, oh shit, it is what it is.
Oh, I would have.
Oh, they're dead.
Oh wow, I like this.
Oh yeah, see? Oh,
Wow, I like this spot. Oops. Oh wow. Crawfish.
what is this? It's something I'm done.
Huh?
Crawfish?
Oh man, I'm craving that.
That seafood place?
Yeah.
I know, ever since you guys were telling me about it, now I'm getting hungry for that seafood place.
Yeah, we should go.
With everything going on, are you guys gonna get a gun?
What do you mean?
No, if I was to get one, I would have gotten one.
Yeah.
Huh?
I bought one, but it's an antique one just for
Oh,
like.
so you're not really gonna use it. What kind
No,
of gun?
it's like World War II gun.
Oh wow.
Oh, one. I forgot.
Yeah, I might end up getting one.
That was in Sri Lanka, man. They had some
Get some proper instructions how to use them. Not facing yourself.
You can get an assault rifle very easily.
I don't know. I'm not gonna get a gun without like going through a course. I mean, you had to get.
Yeah, but did you see yourself fucking holding a fucking gun?
Dude, I was just taking a fucking video, bro.
Dude,
Dude, I have gone.
There is like a proper way of handling a gun.
Before we go shooting, I have taken gun training. You know what, bro? Before you go to.
People who have taken gun training don't fucking face it.
Taking a gun training.
Never. It's like total bullshit that comes out of his mouth.
I mean, if you go to a proper
And he's
range,
telling,
they make you.
like a gun expert. He used to be like.
This guy said I don't know how to hold the gun.
Look at his.
Have you seen the picture of him holding the gun?
Yeah.
Thoughts?
So here's the thing. It's unloaded.
Still, it doesn't matter. The number one rule is treat it as it's loaded.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what it is.
Shot themselves because they don't
There's one in
realize
chamber or
there's a
something.
round in there.
Well, when I get
Like if you took fucking training or classes or like you said,
I know
it's so bullshit. I took it one time and I remember. Yeah, that's the number one like thing. Do not aim at anyone. Yourself.
you can go and look at your background check.
Yeah, I don't want to get a rifle. I want to get a handgun.
I'm trying to go upstream. Get my. Get my.
How the fuck did you fall?
I have no idea, man. It slipped me.
You were calling me. I was like, holy shit. I was thinking that you were just trying to tell something about it.
Like, fuck, my kayak is going down like this. Oh, perfect.
Shit, bro.
Maybe we should go that way and go through the. I think there is a trail here. Huh? Actually, this area is much better in a way.
Yes, better. Okay, now it's getting better.
Big rocks are not there. Wow. I lost a fucking phone, but this was the biggest fucking good memory ever. Tomorrow I had to spend $1,500 on a fucking phone.
You motherfucker, I will kill you.